Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to read text message remotely on another phone without accessing the phone. Open Play Store first of all, and then you have to download Verizon Messages. Okay, open Verizon Messages, start messaging, or you can set the default as Verizon Messages. Okay, after that you have to enter the phone number of the person that you want to track the messages, right? For example, if I want to track the text messages of my child, then I will enter the phone number of my child here. Once I've entered the phone number of my child, it will send a text message on my child phone, and that text message will contain OTP code, one-time password, that I have to enter in this application. Once I have the access of that secret one-time password, I will enter it in the password, and after that all of the text messages, whether they are outgoing or incoming, and the best part is that my child won't able to notice that I'm reading all of his messages. And that's how you can read the text messages remotely on another phone. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe.